Are you exhausted from spending countless hours manually posting ads? It's a tedious task that drains your time and energy, leaving you frustrated. Manual posting is not only time-consuming but also inefficient. Without proper management, your ads risk being flagged or removed, diminishing your efforts. Imagine investing hours only to see your ads disappear. It's a common struggle many face in the world of online advertising. Meet AdClimber, your ultimate solution to effortless ad posting. With AdClimber, you can automate your Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace ads in under 30 minutes, saving you precious time. Our advanced technology ensures your ads remain green and visible, maximizing their reach. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual posting and hello to a streamlined, efficient process. Target specific cities and schedule your ads for optimal times to maximize visibility. Bulk posting saves you valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Transform your ads into compelling marketing assets with ChatGPT. Our software turns your ordinary ads into persuasive messages that speak directly to your audience's psychology. Join over 1,000 satisfied clients across 100+ industries who have experienced the power of automated ad posting. Get started now and watch your sales skyrocket with minimal effort. Take control of your online marketing today. Embrace the future of ad posting with AdClimber and transform your advertising strategy. Click the link below to begin your journey to success.